So another video, an evening 4 or 5 p.m. walk in Germany in the wintertime. So we started down there, like 20 minutes that direction. Now we're gonna go this way. So here we're passing under the bridge. We're gonna walk all the way to the wheel. You can see how beautiful this looks. There's always boats and stuff coming here. This is the Rhine River. It goes across Germany. So look how old these rocks are. So beautiful up here. Oh, the yacht going under the bridge. So beautiful. Wow. So there's always like some really cool yachts and boats and stuff going down. So this one is like a carrier, so it hauls things from different ports and cities and countries, which is really neat because I don't usually see these in Toronto, so it's different to see them. And the yachts are definitely bigger here too. So in the distance you can see the orange sunset beyond the blue sky. Really pretty. So this is the lower level of this. There's an upper level too, which we did a video on before, so this is the lower one. Wow, that is just gorgeous. Look at that. I like how someone put faces on all of these. So now in like 5 minutes we'll be at this one. So you could walk this all night and it would take hours. At my speed walking when I'm not filming, it takes 20-30 minutes to go from there to there. But you can go further in both directions, which is wild. This is like the ultimate best place to walk or bike. This would be so good for like longboarding in the summertime or BMX. There's so many nice outdoor spots here, I love it. And in the summertime too, this is like busy with people down here, but not so much during the winter months, even though it's still pretty warm out. So here you can see like a bunch of birds flying over. So that's the upper level, and these are all like old historic houses and flats. So sometimes this also becomes like the world's longest bar, and this whole thing will become restaurants and bars right on the river, which is really cool. So last year they filled this up, this whole thing, in the winter time with Christmas market type of bars, but this year they did it on the upper level instead of the bottom. And it's really pretty because when you walk under it, you can see the Christmas lights. Another cool thing though about here in Germany is the unit sizes of people's apartments are huge. Like they're gigantic compared to like the city. So that's another positive. So here we have some more old houses. Up here, another boat coming. I think this one is also carrying a bunch of cargo. It's a cargo boat. So again, we started all the way down there. Now we're here, almost at the wheel. 5 more minutes. Whoa. Look at that. That is so big. It's really cool to see like the size of these. So this is like the area now where all last year's restaurants, they still might do it because they still have a patio up, but as you can see, like I said, it's moved upstairs. The buildings here are all so beautiful. There's another boat in the distance, and there's one here. This one's like a tour boat or a restaurant. Wow. So here's a really old clock tower. And then here you can see the restaurants starting to open up again here for the winter. So this is, this one we see all the time on TV in Canada. This one cruises the Rhine River. And they run ads all the time. It does all the countries. It's really cool. So people stay on this like a hotel.